Hi, my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam, and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. And I'm taking you with me to the Dollarama. I saw tons of beautiful faux flowers. I never tried faux flower before from the Dollarama because I was thinking that looks cheap, but I find really nice colors, and I think they have a tons of choices now. I got grabbed 4 branches, one in peach color and three in double pink. So I'm thinking to do a one DIY basket that inspired by this Home Sense basket that was $40. So if I do it in a fraction price or even in a half, I'm the winner. That's what I think. Some people don't need to take care of the plants because of job or something. They don't have that much time. So this is the best choice for you. So I also grabbed this macrama. It was $5 from the Dollarama, and the bushes was like 325 to 425. These sunflowers was also from the Dollarama, and they look so awesome. I really love to add these around the season, like in fall time. And this is the first time I'm making this hanging basket. So this peachy one I'm using as my center flower, and the double pink one around that. I'm not cutting that one. I use a accordion, fold, because I want to use these branches maybe in a bigger planter later, because I keep, switching my decor. If you're new to my channel, I do the home decorating video and the DIY video. I just did my pet and deck makeover, which you can find on my channel, or I leave the link in the description box. If you like the video, give me thumbs up, and please try this. It's pretty affordable, anyone can do it. And I'm really happy that I did this because it's give right away a punch, because I live in Calgary, so we still weather is a cold side, trees are still on the naked side, so this is a really quick easy fix. So I hang on my gazebo and it looks so beautiful, and I'm thinking I can change this on the continuous basis. And for the if you need a little stability, you can use the rocks in the plant. I don't use a floral foam because I just want to put as it is, and I'm using same these bushes into this beautiful basket I got from thrifted from the thrift store, and it looks so beautiful. And I used 3 4 uh, places. I use this basket on this bistro set with the morning tea. It looks so amazing. And this is the very plain one. I already have these hanging green plant in my home, so I use this. It also looks really nice. So these 3 DIYs you can try in your home. I hope you're gonna love it. And please let me in the comments below which decor which you like most. Thanks.